everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an upload. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for your constant support. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut a high-low top. So I'll be using this paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut a high-low top. Now we are going to take our vertical measurement. The length of the pattern I will be using is 20. You can see a line at the top. So that is the starting point. The length of the pattern is 27 inches. Now we are going to take the vertical measurement. So I'm going to mark 9 inches for the chest line, 11 inches for the bust point. Then I'm going to mark the waistline of 17 inches. Then I'm going to mark a straight line, the chest line, bust line, waistline, chest line, bust, waist line. Then we just leave this for the hip. Now we are going to take the shoulder line. So the shoulder line we are working with is 16 inches. 16 inches divided by 4 is 8. So we are going to mark our 8 inches. I think you can see it. Then I will be marking 3.5 inches for the neck width. So I will mark the depth of 3 inches. So we are going to connect the line together. Having done that, come down by 1 inch. Then you connect it to meet with the neck width. Now we are going to mark our armhole, which is 8 inches. We are going to make a straight line down. This is the front pattern. Look for the midpoint and fold your tape this way. That's the midpoint. Then you come in by 1/2 inch. Then you come to the chest line. You take the bust measurement at the chest line, 38. So 38 divided by 4, that will give us 9.5. Now you can connect your armhole. So that's our armhole. We are going to take the bust circumference. For the bust measurement, we've marked it, which is 9.5. And we are going to mark the waistline. So the waistline is 39. 39 divided by 4, that's 9.75. So we are going to mark our 9.75 here. Then I will come up here at the shoulder slope. I'm going to divide it into 2. So that will be for the seam. So I will mark 1/2 inch. Now I will connect it to the neck width. So we are still going to cut it. Now, let me explain to you here. At the top here, at the shoulder line, I have my starting point here. I have 12 inches because the gown is going to be free a bit. It's going to be free. So I have 12 inches here. You can make yours to be 14 inches or 15 inches. Now we have 12 inches here. I'm going to use everything because it's going to be a free blouse. It's going to be a free blouse. So I'll mark the 3 inches extra here. So we have 3 inches here. So I'm going to mark 3 inches here as well. So I'm going to connect the line together. It's not difficult to make. So having done that, to make our high and low, remember I told you this is the first pattern. Now you are going to mark from up down to 20 inches. I'm going to mark 20 inches. Remember we have 27 for the length. So this is the front pattern, don't forget. I'm going to mark 20 inches here. I will take 20 inches. 20 inches here. Then I will come here, take 23 inches. So 23 inches, then 20 inches. Now we are going to connect the line together. There's no point of taking any dart because it's a free top. So what we are going to do right now is to connect the line from here. This is the 23 inches that I marked. So we are going to connect it here. You can use your hand You can connect it with your ruler. So we are making the high part. That's what we're doing now. Just connect it this way. So this is a high. This is how we are going to get our high. You can see it. So the front is going to be higher than the back front. Remember, we are cutting the front part of it. Now we are done with our top. What we have to do right now is to cut the top out. Now we are going to cut from here. Now we are going to cut the neckline. So this is what I did. I just cut it out. Don't forget I marked 23 inches there, then I mark 20 inches there, then I connect the line together. After connecting the line together, I cut it out. So you cut the seam of 0.5 inches that I marked here. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe. Click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And see, it is not difficult to cut. You can even leave this. So this is it. This is the first pattern. We are going to blend the bottom part. You can see it. So we are going to blend it. So we are going to blend it this way. You have to make sure it's blended before cutting it out. Let's see it now. See it. Now if you want to cut the second part, all you have to do is to place the first pattern on it and you make your neck width of 3.5 inches. Back depth is going to be 1.5 inches. Then you slit it by 3 inches. You stop here, put it into 2 so that you can attach your button to it. Then for the back, after doing that, you are going to, don't forget I told you initially that the width of your fabric has to be 14 or 15 inches. The front part is 27 inches. So we cut off 5 inches. So the first panel length is 22 inches, while the back panel will be 28 to 29 inches because the back pattern has to be longer than the front pattern. I think the front pattern is short. What is very easy to cut. Assuming this is the back pattern will be 29 inches. This is the way it's going to look like. See, this is it. You take it to the machine and sew it together. It is very simple to cut. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Thank you. Bye.